Top 15 Teacher Assistant Interview Questions and Answers. Preparing for a teacher assistant interview requires more than simply understanding classroom duties. Employers want candidates who can support teachers, encourage student learning, maintain classroom discipline, and communicate effectively with parents and staff. A successful teacher assistant demonstrates patience, adaptability, teamwork, and a genuine passion for education. The following interview questions and sample answers will help you understand what interviewers are looking for and how to present your skills confidently. Use these examples to prepare thoughtful responses that showcase your ability to contribute positively to a productive and supportive learning environment. 1. Why do you want to work as a teacher assistant? A teacher assistant role allows me to contribute directly to students' academic and personal growth while supporting teachers in creating an effective learning environment. I enjoy working with children and helping them overcome challenges in their education. This position combines my communication, organizational, and interpersonal skills with my passion for learning. I find satisfaction in assisting students individually, encouraging confidence, and helping classrooms run smoothly. Being part of a child's educational journey is both meaningful and rewarding for me. 2. What do you believe are the most important qualities of a teacher assistant? A successful teacher assistant should possess patience, empathy, strong communication skills, adaptability, and organization. Students learn differently, so patience is essential when providing support. Communication helps maintain positive relationships with teachers, students, and parents. Organization ensures classroom activities run efficiently. Adaptability allows assistants to respond effectively to changing situations. Most importantly, empathy helps create a supportive learning environment where students feel respected, encouraged, and motivated to participate actively in their educational experience and achieve their full potential. 3. How would you handle a disruptive student in the classroom? I would remain calm and address the behavior respectfully without embarrassing the student. First, I would identify the reason behind the disruption, as students may act out due to frustration, confusion, or personal issues. I would redirect their attention toward the task and reinforce classroom expectations positively. If the behavior continued, I would inform the teacher and follow established school procedures. Maintaining consistency, patience, and professionalism helps resolve issues while preserving a positive learning atmosphere for all students. 4. How do you support students who are struggling academically? I support struggling students by identifying areas where they need extra assistance and adapting explanations to their learning style. I break complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps and provide encouragement throughout the process. Positive reinforcement helps build confidence and motivation. I also collaborate with the teacher to ensure instructional strategies align with classroom goals. By creating a supportive environment where students feel comfortable asking questions, I can help them improve understanding, develop skills, and achieve better academic outcomes. 5. How would you assist a teacher during classroom activities? I would assist by preparing materials, organizing resources, monitoring student participation, and providing individual support when needed. During lessons, I would help students stay focused and clarify instructions while ensuring classroom procedures are followed. I can also observe student progress and share feedback with the teacher. My goal is to reduce the teacher's workload so they can focus on delivering instruction effectively. Working collaboratively ensures classroom activities run smoothly and students receive the support necessary for success. 6. Describe a time when you worked as part of a team. In any educational setting, teamwork is essential for achieving shared goals. I have worked collaboratively with colleagues to organize activities, solve problems, and support group projects. I contributed by communicating clearly, completing assigned tasks responsibly, and assisting others when needed. Team success depends on cooperation and mutual respect. By listening to different perspectives and maintaining a positive attitude, I helped create productive working relationships that benefited both the team and the individuals we were supporting. 7. How do you manage multiple tasks at the same time? I prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance while maintaining a structured approach to my work. Creating schedules, checklists, and organized systems helps me stay focused and efficient. In a classroom, I understand that unexpected situations can arise, so flexibility is also important. I remain calm under pressure and communicate with the teacher when priorities need adjustment. Effective time management allows me to support students, complete administrative duties, and assist classroom activities without compromising quality or attention to detail. 8. How would you support students with special educational needs? I would work closely with the teacher and follow individualized learning plans to ensure students receive appropriate support. Patience, understanding, and flexibility are essential when adapting activities to meet diverse needs. I would provide clear instructions, encourage participation, and use strategies that promote independence. Building trust and positive relationships helps students feel comfortable and confident. My goal is to create an inclusive environment. 9. What would you do if a student refused to complete an assignment? I would approach the student calmly and try to understand why they are refusing. There may be underlying issues such as confusion, lack of confidence, or personal concerns. I would offer support, clarify instructions, and encourage them to begin with smaller tasks. Positive reinforcement can help increase motivation. If the issue persisted, I would communicate with the teacher to determine the best course of action. Maintaining a supportive approach often helps students re-engage with their learning responsibilities. 10. How do you build positive relationships with students? Building positive relationships begins with respect, consistency, and genuine interest in students' well-being. I listen actively, encourage participation, and acknowledge their achievements. Creating a welcoming environment helps students feel comfortable asking questions and expressing concerns. I maintain fairness and treat all students equally while recognizing their individual needs. Positive relationships increase trust, engagement, and confidence. When students feel supported and valued, they are more likely to participate actively and develop a positive attitude toward learning. 11. Why is confidentiality important in a school environment? Confidentiality protects students' privacy and helps maintain trust between families, staff, and the school. Teacher assistants may have access to sensitive information regarding academic performance, behavior, or personal circumstances. It is important to share information only with authorized personnel when necessary. Respecting confidentiality demonstrates professionalism and ethical responsibility. By safeguarding private information, I help create a secure environment where students and families feel confident that their personal details will be handled appropriately and respectfully. 12. How would you handle a conflict between two students? I would remain neutral and listen carefully to both students to understand the situation. Encouraging respectful communication allows each student to express their perspective. I would help them identify solutions and remind them of classroom expectations regarding behavior and respect. The goal is to resolve the conflict constructively while teaching valuable social skills. If necessary, I would involve the teacher according to school procedures. Addressing conflicts fairly helps maintain a positive classroom environment and encourages healthy relationships among students. 13. How do you motivate students who seem uninterested in learning? I motivate students by finding ways to connect learning to their interests and strengths. Positive reinforcement, encouragement, and achievable goals can increase engagement. I also try to make activities interactive and enjoyable whenever possible. Building strong relationships helps me understand what motivates each student individually. Recognizing effort as well as achievement can boost confidence and participation. By creating a supportive atmosphere and celebrating progress, I help students develop a more positive attitude toward learning and personal growth. 14. What would you do if a teacher gave you feedback on your performance? I view feedback as an opportunity for professional growth and improvement. I would listen carefully, ask questions if clarification is needed, and reflect on the suggestions provided. Constructive feedback helps identify strengths and areas for development. I would implement recommended changes and monitor my progress to ensure improvement. Maintaining a positive attitude toward feedback demonstrates professionalism, adaptability, and a commitment to providing the best possible support for teachers and students within the educational environment. 15. Why should we hire you as a teacher assistant? You should hire me because I am dedicated, patient, organized, and passionate about supporting student success. I understand the importance of teamwork and effective communication in a classroom setting. My ability to adapt, assist with learning activities, and build positive relationships with students allows me to contribute effectively to the educational environment. I am committed to helping teachers achieve classroom goals while ensuring students feel supported, encouraged, and motivated to reach their full academic and personal potential. A teacher assistant plays a vital role in supporting both educators and students, helping create an organized, inclusive, and productive learning environment. Interviewers typically look for candidates who demonstrate patience, teamwork, communication skills, and a genuine commitment to education. By preparing thoughtful responses to common interview questions, you can confidently showcase your qualifications and enthusiasm for the role. Practice these answers, personalize them with your own experiences, and focus on highlighting your ability to support student achievement. Strong preparation significantly increases your chances of interview success. A teacher assistant plays a vital role in supporting